Hi, and welcome back to this is the 15th problem from the first recitation of signals, and it's the exact same thing as the last problem. We're given a function, a sinusoid function, and that it is the sine of 7t minus 0.5, and what we want to do is figure out what is our omega in radians per second, and also what is our frequency in hertz. So those are actually both units of frequency. But anyway, this is the problem. If you want to pause the video, now's a good time. And so anyway, even if we have a sine here, nothing's really changing. I still have, instead of, pretty much sine is exactly like cosine, except the wave is going to start at a different place. I still measure my frequency in the exact same way. The only thing that sine does is I have some different phase shift here. I have some different phase information. So pretty much what I can do here is I could say, I could change this into a cosine, or I could just say, like, even if I change this into a cosine and pretty much do this problem over again, the only thing that changing it into a cosine is going to affect is this right here. It's just going to affect my phase angle. It's not going to affect my frequency at all. And the frequency is really all we're concerned about. Remember that the general form of our cosine is amplitude k cosine omega t plus my phase angle. And that also omega is equal to 2 times pi times f. All I want is omega and the frequency. So I don't have to change this into a cosine. I can just work with this directly. So really quickly, I can see, just like in the last problem, this is very similar to the last problem, that my omega is equal to 7 radians per second, because that's the coefficient multiplying the t. It's just 7t here. And now, because I know what my omega is, I can figure out from omega equals 2 pi f, I can say that omega divided by 2 pi gives me my frequency. And this is the exact same thing we had in the last video, where I see that my frequency is 7 divided by 2 pi hertz. And that's it. That's our answer. Hopefully you found this useful, and I'll see you in a future video. Thanks for watching.